Hi, it's Chad Seay from Seay Real Estate here in Richmond, Virginia. And this week I want to talk to you about choosing a contractor. If you're a homeowner, there are going to be times when you need to hire a contractor to help with certain things around the house. I know there's exceptions, those of you who can do it all yourself, but for most of us, the time will come when we'll have to hire someone to fix a leaky pipe, replace some rotten wood, or what have you. And how do you go about choosing a contractor when the time comes? The number one way to do that is to get a referral from a friend or a family member, someone who has worked with a contractor and had a great experience. Maybe you even know a contractor. That's even better than getting a referral, somebody you've worked with in the past. But if you don't know of anyone, turn to friends and family, and also turn to realtors. If you've used a realtor in recent years and you have a good relationship with him or her, give them a call. Most of us have had workings with contractors. We know who does a good job and maybe who doesn't, and can give you referrals. In fact, I encourage my past clients to call me if they have need for a referral for contractors or professional services. And we just have a big list of people we've done business with and we love to give referrals. I heard on a podcast I listened to not so long ago that a good way to choose a contractor is to show up at Home Depot or Lowe's at 6 o'clock in the morning and see what contractors are there getting their supplies for the day, and that might be a way to determine who's diligent and who's getting out there and getting at it first thing in the morning. And you can meet contractors that way. I don't know, might be a little weird stalking contractors. You don't know, but there's a lot of good advice in that. Better still, though, is to get a referral from a trusted friend, family member, or professional, and follow those leads. What you don't want to do is just randomly pick from the phone book or from the internet. I have to admit that I've had a bad experience that way in the past and learned a valuable lesson. Always go for the referral. Get the word out on social media. I see people do that all the time. On Facebook, they'll post, hey, looking for a good bricklayer or what have you, and just see what your friends say. And always operate that way, that you want to get a good referral before hiring a contractor. And I hope you'll always consider me a resource. If you have needs for something like that, just give my office a call, and either I or someone else here would love to help you with it. I'm Chad with Seay Real Estate. I hope you have a great week.